What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an incoming webhook on Slack. So let's get started. So first off, head off to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Slack or just simply type in this URL api.slack.com. So you will be redirected to this website and then in the search bar, type new app. After typing, scroll a bit and you will see creating apps using Manifest. Click to create a Slack app. If you want to create an application from scratch, like you want to give the application name and all, just click from scratch and give the application name. After then, choose your workspace. If you have multiple workspace, choose the workspace that you want this app to be in. After that, click on Create App. Congratulations, your application is created. Now to turn on or to enable incoming webhooks, on your left side, click on this incoming webhooks and turn this toggle to on. When you will turn it on, add a channel. Here, click on Add New Webhook. After that, search for a channel or just go with the general channel that all hey, and this one is the general, and click on allow. After that, you will see that the channel has been created, and if you want to copy this, you can simply just copy and send it to other team members for checking. So here in the Slack app, you can see demo app for Slack use is created. So this is how you can make an incoming webhook and the app in Slack. That was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.